guys, this is Beka and Gvantsa,
your Georgian language teachers, and today's video is again special, and it's about digital nomads in Georgia. So who are these people who are digital nomads, and why do they choose Georgia as a living and working country?
and our guests for this video are Jessica and Guilherme, who are our students from Brazil, and they learn Georgian with us, and they are living here in Batumi, where me and Beka are having our vacation.
Yes.
And let's meet them.
Follow us.
გამარჯობა.
როგორ ხართ?
კარგად.
So, present yourselves. Who are you? Where are you from?
My name is Jessica and I'm from Brazil.
My name is Guilherme. I'm also from Brazil.
And you're a couple? Yeah.
Yes.
So, you live in Batumi.
Yes.
How did you get here?
We were studying Ireland and we were planning to move to another country and start searching a lot, and we discovered Georgia. We started watching so many videos, and I think it was the right place to come.
Mm-hmm. Let's explain why is it a right place. What do you do as a work?
We work remotely. I'm a video editor and she works with me. But when we came, she was working as customer support for a website.
Yes.
So both of you are digital workers.
Yes.
What do you like the best here in Georgia?
The people.
People.
Yeah, of course. They're amazing.
So why do you choose Georgia, like compared to other countries? Why do you decide just Georgia?
So I think actually it's the whole picture. Like there is this remote work visa. We could apply, we were able to apply, so it's the first point. And then the touristic places, we can go to the mountains, we can go to the beach, we can go to the city, and we have a lot of options here.
Yeah.
And the price is also good. It's affordable to live here, to pay rent, to anyway. And what more?
I think it's amazing because we have snow and beach in the same place. Country. That's amazing for me. Yeah, we can see both from
From your apartments.
Yes.
Nice. What has been hard for you living in another country? Maybe?
So I think for us the main difficult thing in the beginning was the time zone. We are 7 hours ahead from Brazil.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal, but in the beginning we had this...
You were always sleepy.
Yeah, sleepy, and we couldn't talk to our family because they were sleeping or we were sleeping.
So, how long have you been living here? It's been
We have been living here since February, so
a few
maybe
months already.
5 months.
And do you plan to continue living here? Do you like it here? Do you see your future? Few months in Georgia. Do you?
Yes, we are going to stay at least 1 year and maybe more.
Yeah.
I have plans to visit as much as country I can't,
Yeah.
but we we are comfortable here. We can have a home here.
So, what would be your advice for other digital nomads who come to Georgia, who work remotely, to consider beforehand, before they come here? What would be your advice?
Or generally for digital nomads who just looking for a country, where to go and where to settle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What to consider?
I think in terms for digital nomad, comparing to other countries in Europe, here it's more affordable.
Yes.
You need to have a monthly income, but in other countries this income must be higher, and here is fine. And not only price, but you will learn a new culture, a nice culture. The people here are very friendly and open to know foreigners. And also there is a big community of digital nomads here.
Yes.
Have you met?
No,
Not yet.
we haven't met they yet, but I know they meet
Regularly.
weekly. Yes, they go to a pub and it's good for network.
Now what about Georgian language? Do you speak, trying?
To learn.
Yeah, we decided to start learning Georgian language to be more comfortable and to be able to buy in a local market or to ask something on the street, and also to learn something new.
Yes.
New adventure, right?
Yeah, new adventure. And we started studying with you.
The best choice ever.
And it's been very nice.
Yeah.
Very good. How do you like Georgian sounding? How language sounds? Also letters. Do you like them?
Yes, I think letters is the best thing to learn.
Yeah.
It's very interesting to learn each letter in Georgian alphabet. And now we don't know all the letters, but we can go on the street and read so many things.
It feels nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's like a game.
Yes.
Yes, true.
Jessica, it's your turn. What about Georgian kitchen? Do you know any like Georgian dishes, or what do you cook here at home?
Actually, in Georgia, we are able to cook some Brazilian dishes because we can find a lot of food in Carrefour, so it's very nice. And the taste is amazing. Everything is delicious. It's very different from other countries that we have been. So the food is really great, especially for me because I'm vegetarian, so I highly recommend.
Yes, that's what I was about to ask, because you're a vegetarian.
Yes.
And everybody thinks that Georgian like cuisine is all about meat.
Yeah.
But you find some things that you can eat,
yes.
right?
Have you tried to cook some Georgian dish?
Not yet. No.
In Brazil, we have this dish called, it's not a dish, it's a snack called pastel.
Yes.
And I tried to make it using lavashi.
Ah,
Yes, and it works.
Yeah,
so you tried lavashi in pastel.
Yeah. Actually we eat lavashi every day.
Nice. I love it too. Oh, this is Maurice. Maybe we can. This is
Yeah, you can introduce.
where all the noise comes from. And where did you get the cat from? Did you brought it here from Brazil, or did you adopt it?
Maurice is Georgian.
Yes.
Local cat.
So you adopted.
It's from Batumi, right?
Yes.
Batumi.
Batumi Kata.
Great. Maybe we can also show Maurice.
Oh, sorry.
Maurice. Maurice.
Ah.
Pretty.
Gamarjoba,
Gamarjoba.
Mevar Guilherme, Brasilida. Essares Jéssica, Brasilida. Tiven Tsavlov Cartus.
Olá, meu nome é Jéssica, esse é o Guilherme e a gente está estudando georgiano.
Madloba,
Maroba.
Karga.
Carga.